Hi guys, Ego here, CEO and co-founder of The Good Mineral, and I'm super excited to introduce our latest brush. We're just launching this brush. Some of you have helped to name it. Why launch this brush? Why? Because I love using my Loves You Back 3-in-1 powder foundation with the flat blending brush, but found that I was struggling to get into corners, and therefore I would end up using my finger to blend in some parts. And what we've done now with this new brush is created something that's basically better than your finger. Look at that, look at that. Look at how we can get into the detail. You can contour your nose, you can add your concealer, you can highlight your upper brow, you can cover an actual blemish directly. You can put makeup powder right into the creases where you want coverage, or if you have a particular blemish, you can literally put the product right on without overdoing it on the rest of your face. So here we go. What I love, for example, is in the Loves You Back 3-in-1, I can just pick up powder like that and put it exactly where I want it. Do you see? And for all of you who are trying to conceal and use the powder as a concealer, this is the way, because you can monitor, you can actually not apply too much powder where you might have a few creases and wrinkles, and just not over put too much product. You can put exactly how much you want where you want. Do you see that? All with this brush. And so here where I've got hyperpigmentation, I can go in directly on it and just gently blend it in exactly where I want it. So even if you are still stuck to your liquid concealer, this brush will help blend it in seamlessly and exactly where you want it. Isn't that amazing? And so you don't actually, if you don't need product elsewhere, you don't actually have to put it there. You can just put it exactly where you want it and highlight and direct the brush exactly how you want it. Look at that. I can even do a line like that and come down the side, and then just to press down, blend in exactly where I want it. Look at that. I love this brush. It's going to be such a great partner for your flat blending brush. You can use the flat blending brush to put your foundation wherever you want, and then you've got your small spot on brush to direct it exactly where you want it. Get the brush. Also works with soft complexion, because even the soft complexion you can just rub. So this shade is a bit lighter than what I would normally wear, and so I'm using it to increase that lift and highlight. So a lighter shade of soft complexion gives me the lift. So I've got no foundation anywhere else. I've got no foundation on. I've just used the new brush to create or to apply powder exactly where I want it, so that I don't put too much. Wow, It's bloody amazing. Wow, 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 and wow. Just trying to see where else I can demonstrate. See, I can demonstrate applying the powder. I mean, it just gives you so much control. It's absolutely amazing. That's basically this new brush. It's just, I had to launch it because look at what it can do. And without your finger, and so gently and so quickly, you can get the coverage and apply your makeup, your concealer or your foundation exactly where you want it. This is absolutely amazing. I can't believe it. And I know this brush already. So there you go. It's now on the website, or it's coming soon to the website. Don't miss out. We haven't made that many because we're still seeing if you're gonna love it. So here it is. Run, don't walk.